everyone, this is Coach Laudiaann making another great video for you all. Welcome to my YouTube channel. If you like my channel, go ahead, subscribe to my channel. But if you're brand new to my channel, don't forget to watch my videos first. Leave your likes and your comments. I need your feedback. And if you just love my channel, go ahead and subscribe to my channel. But anyway, today I'm actually going to talk about how much do you like yourself. It is so important that you need to focus on you and yourself and liking yourself. All right. This about liking yourself, it builds your self-esteem, and it actually determines your happiness. Okay, so how much do you like yourself? May I ask you all? Your self-esteem determines your self-image. So you need to focus on your self-image. This is the way you see yourself and how you think about yourself from day to day interaction with others. So whatever your self-image, it is shaped by your self-ideal of how you see yourself, and how you see your values, how you see your goals, how you see your hopes, your dreams, and your aspirations. All right, whatever inspires you. The more you behave in that moment, it is the consistency of your revealed ideal behavior of how you behave, and how you respect yourself. And if you respect yourself, you would actually love yourself. But if your behavior is not loving yourself, then you're not going to be happy. And that experience of negative self-image, you will not perform at your best. So for you, in order to perform at your best, you have to be at your best behavior. And you got to actually work on loving yourself. Okay, because loving yourself is actually going to build your confidence, and you will be able to interact with people in a happier mood. All right, if you're not happy, you are not going to have very good vibes from people, and you're not going to be positive around people. People will not even bother with you because of the moment of your behavior. People do not like being attracted to low self-image. Anybody that is in a negative mood, would you want to be around people that are negative and talking down about themselves, talking down about people? Of course not. You don't want to do that, right? So I recommend you guys work on your self-image and also live the truth with yourself, with others, okay? Decide today to honor yourself. Resolve to tell the truth, to live the truth with yourself and with others. Take the responsibility for your life and everything that happens to you. And then create an ideal picture of your perfect future and clarify your values, your goals. All right. Ready to begin setting clean, specific goals in every area of your life. And you will be ready to take off. All right. To higher values, you will be able to obtain commitments and responsibility in your life. So be true to yourself. All right. And know also what you believe, okay? Your values today regards to your work and your career. Do you believe that your values are integrity, hard work, dependability, creativity, initiative? Do you have an ambition? Do you get along well with people? People who live in these values in their works are vastly more successful and more highly esteemed than people who do not. So the minute you begin walking, talking, and behaving in a way to your highest ideal of your self-image, This will improve your self-image to increase, and you will be happier about yourself and your world. All right. And your aim should be deliberately raising your self-image in everything you do, and you should live your life as if you were already intended to be someone in that future. Okay, so the level of your esteem determines your level of happiness. So self-esteem is defined as how much you like yourself. So my advice for everyone is to love yourself. Learn to love yourself. Pay attention to yourself. Do things that will make you happy. And in return, you'll be a better person. You will actually love yourself. You'll be able to care about other people too. Because you're caring about yourself, you will care about others as well. Alright guys, I'm going to let you guys go. Thank you for listening to my message. And don't forget to love yourself, because this is the message of how much you like yourself. And I will be posting more update videos of positive affirmations and what I gather to share with you. I hope you guys have a great day. Love yourself today. Thank you for subscribing to my channel if you're here. Go ahead, click on the link. There is a link below if you want to get ready to do a drastic change within yourself. And it all starts with the mindset. There's a course about that I have a link below. It's about the Genie script. It's only $34. Invest in your mindset, guys, because that's going to prepare your mind to be successful, and you will get the better benefits for you and yourself. All right, so don't forget to purchase that, and I will talk to you guys later. I'll make better videos, and I hope you guys love my channel. And thank you for subscribing. Thank you for leaving your comments and your likes.